Last time I left you with riding the bus going to next part of Pattaya. Guys, keep tuned. Let's see where we're gonna go. We're gonna have a drink and eat, and then the last one we will be going to one of the stores where there is a lot of bars and so on. So keep tuned and let's go watch the video now.
And
that's
a lot of
the
breast
bus.
and leg on for sale here.
Yeah.
Chicken I'm talking about.
Chicken. That is the night bazaar. Let's go in and see what's in there, guys. Let's cross the road. Make sure we are safe. And
$8.99 for a bloody great thing like that.
yeah, this is good, mate.
Yeah, I don't care where it's made.
$8.99. That's cheap.
A few trips.
That's cheap.
Oh, it's not even £24. That'd be 80 quid in the UK.
It's a good price.
£80.
It's a good price. Guys, me and Mark maybe is looking for a bag, I'm not sure. So let's go and see what he will find, if he's lucky enough to find a bag now. And in the meanwhile, we look around to see what's in here. Oh, this is okay. It's not bad prices actually. There's a lot of, there's the bags, more t-shirts. Let's see how much is this one. The tripod. Somebody cab. Yeah, I'm trying to find a tripod for this one, long one.
Long one.
Yeah. Ah, this is okay. It's a different, but does it go? No. Nah, this is good for the other camera.
Yeah, it's good for everything. Good for everything. It's a selfie, tripod,
Yeah.
for camera, and for phone as well.
Yeah.
Price
looking
different for card or cash? Same
Sort of
price,
the
card or cash? Ah, same but different.
Ah, it goes.
More 5%.
I know. That's why I asked. I know.
Ah, this is cool. Look at this, guys. This is cool.
No heart.
Wow, this is nice. I like it.
Let's advertise yourself. Advertise you.
Me?
Yeah.
Ah.
This is one.
Ah, okay.
It's one more. Longer. 1.
Okay.
1.6 something.
And then opens up too.
Yeah.
Okay. Does not make coffee. How much is this one?
Cannot make coffee or massage. Everything else.
And let's check it out. This one here. This one. 8.50. Give me a good price, I buy. Yeah. Was alright, but it's too wobbly at the bottom, so that's why I didn't want to.
That's why I thought shouldn't that have round sort of pads on the bottom?
No, the lower part is very weak.
Yeah.
And what's this? What's this size?
Large.
Doesn't matter where it's made.
In Asia, when they say large, that's really a medium.
That is cool. That's cool. That's cool, mate. That's cool.
I always get a zip put on. Look, I get a zip put on.
Yeah.
Better than just Velcro.
This is better.
Yeah.
I like this one more.
Yeah, but I'd have a zip put on there. Zip.
Yeah, zip. Over there have zip.
Yeah.
One side zip, one side.
Oh right, wow. Okay, sorry.
So you got two, mate.
Yeah, but
You got a
like
zip.
This I had that put on. 150 baht, I think, or one.
Okay.
100 baht.
And you bought it 80 baht.
Well, maybe, yeah.
So you bought the short for 80 baht and you put 150 baht
My
for
word, the
zipper.
boss. When boss come back.
How much is this one?
450.
450.
450 baht.
But what
Too
about
much.
that's plastic? What about for cash? That's the plastic price.
Local.
That's the
We want
Visa.
local prices.
That's the Visa price. What for cash is less.
We want local prices, not tourist prices.
Yeah.
For you 100 baht. $100. $100 for you.
I like this man. He thinks small, but it's really big.
I give you last 350.
350.
My first price 450, but I give you 350.
Nah.
I think that's good price.
You really want to buy? Because if I do, I will give him a price.
So,
With
with the belt as well. Look, with the belt.
200.
Really?
You can see. You buy this one,
Yeah, yeah,
long
yeah.
and short.
This is
Too heavy. Yeah, I've got
there,
them for
no.
work like that.
Yeah, not this one.
That's
This
it,
one. Tell him 200. Yeah, no. Yeah.
Price without belt 250. Without no belt 250. Not belt.
I give you one more that. You give me 200 baht. I give you one more.
No. He doesn't want it. He said, I don't want it.
Not 400. No. In the UK.
Look,
in the
look.
UK.
In Sriracha,
Buy, not buy.
in Sriracha,
Got belt, look,
where
belt,
I
belt,
live, it's
belt,
there.
Belt. See, strong belt.
I give you this one. You give me 400 baht.
And shoes?
This one.
Well, what else
I'll
left?
have a word with the boss.
So how much? Look, 200 is very good price.
350 is the last one.
Okay. Thanks, mate.
You can check around.
Yep.
That's all good famous.
Huh? 250.
250 like this, okay. This one cannot. This one okay, 250. I give you. But this one cannot. This one 350.
Can I try on? Yeah. I want to try on first, Martin. Sure.
Try it on, mate. Try it on and see.
Tell you that with you.
Try it on.
I'll take the shoes off.
Big cat.
Good, not me.
Let's see.
I think so. That's L.
No, it's all right.
Yeah.
Looks all
I
right.
think this is L. That's okay. I think that's okay.
The back is. Yeah, no, the back is all right,
I
Mark.
think they're good, yeah. I might have a zip. Might have a zip put on here, it's this one. He say no belt. He say no belt 300. No belt 300. Huh? No belt, no.
No, man. He said.
belt.
ลดได้ไหม300
ได้350ต่ำสุดแล้วครับ
That's right. If no belt 300. No belt.
Bill 250.
Yeah.
250. That's mean you get the trousers for 150.
Bill.
Well,
Only bill 300 baht.
yeah, we're giving you 250, 100 baht. That's what end up with the trousers because we're not taking the belt.
He come together, so he cannot depart.
No belt, 300, yeah? Is that good? Good? They're second hand now, warm. Well, how much you say?
350
Okay.
250, all right. No, it's okay.
350
They feel light, you know, airy. Light.
I think 300
Hold this.
Huh?
Hold this.
That's it, finished, mate? Did you get it? You got it? Okay. Okay, Mark, he bought something, so let's see. We keep going. There's nothing there. There is more of shopping and so on. Bags.
Who's out there? Chicken with yours.
Yeah, I am still hungry, yes.
Do you want to eat roti over here?
Huh?
Do you want to eat roti?
Roti?
Banana roti, no?
No banana roti. If I eat something better.
That's right.
So, there's more money exchange, more of the other part of the thing. Thank you. Good man. He's an idiot, don't worry. And no vehicle allowed.
you want for
Our people. Okay. Look how nice it is. And we will be crossing very soon to the other side. There's a lot of food and so on as well. But here, as you can see,
Hello, Baya. Namaste.
there's so many, okay, so many things here. There is a lot of places you can go to. Traffic at night on this main road, that's why they made it only one way, because two-way was a disaster.
โกเทียปะ
Yeah, let's go across the road. This way. And let's cross the road, guys. Okay, there's more fruit,
Mango sticky rice.
juice. No, crocodile was there. No, it's not here.
Yeah, it's not that rice.
It's mango, sticky rice and all this here, but... Ah, there is crocodile, you're right. They changed it or what? Look at that one there.
What?
จะไปอีกเหรอ
Yeah.
อยากที่ยูวันโกเหรอ
Yeah, let's go see what's in there.
อยากจะไปอีกอ่ะปะ
First place.
Coconut for 4 years over there,
Wow,
but
yeah. Better for you.
It's a tourist place. What do you expect?
making boom boom. Then
Oh, wow. My birthday.
Yeah, then get it.
บ้านเขามีแต่มะขามดินเนี่ยบางคนก็
You must be very hungry, Mark.
Oh, that wasn't that big.
Huh?
Chicken, cashew nuts, rice, not that big.
Well, it wasn't big. No. Yeah.
Not for 200 baht.
That's all right. This gentleman give you something to get full. As the oil. He adds in there with a bit of butter.
Butter or marge?
I think it's butter.
Butter or marge? Margarine or butter? Just one. Is that butter or margarine? Butter or margarine? I think that's marge.
It's margarine.
Butter or margarine?
butter
Yeah, margarine.
Butter expensive here, man, so they put here. So there you are, guys.
Wow.
You cut the bananas and so on. You put it with egg and a bit of milk, and there you go.
All those things you had in coffee.
Meanwhile, food is done. They're cooked nicely. Take you around to look, and here we go. Back again. Flip it.
Do you cook them?
Cook the other side. You put it in oil, and
Yeah.
it's different.
Yeah. Same but different.
different
Different father.
Same, different.
different
Again,
He puts the milk on.
and bingo. So you put it in that paper, and he cut it into smaller pieces, easy to be handled to eat, and bang, easy done. All these, how much is this? 20 baht? 20 baht. Huh?
50's good, I thought.
That's 20 baht. That's it, easy. And then, poor thing, the other things cost you more. And put a bit of, condensed milk as well. So, get a bit sweeter. I see there's the
ขายไงคะเนี่ย
barbecue, guys. So,
ใหญ่กว่าอะไรนะ
it's pork meat. You wanna eat?
เอาสามบาท
It's there. Let's see if we back in there, back. Couple cup. Hey, listen, mate. I put it. You're gonna eat this one while you're having beer or what?
If we're allowed to, yeah, if we're allowed to eat the bar.
No, we're gonna go have beer there, mate. On that side there. I'm having beer there.
Yeah, yeah.
You're gonna be in trouble, mate, when she sees the video.
No, joking. No, joking.
You're gonna be in big shit, mate. You wanna be in big trouble?
Yeah.
Huh?
Trouble at mill.
Ah,
Trouble at mill.
we're always in trouble. So that is the nightlife in this, I don't know what street it is, 8, 9, whatever, but usually around all these streets it is the same thing, some of them more, some of them less, so you take the pick. If you don't like what you see, you go to the next street, you will find out what's in there. End of the video. I'd like to thank all the subscribers, new subscribers coming on board, and thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.